carrying 50 armor-piercing rockets are fitted to the Phantom. They are live and handled with care. The Phantom is a fighter box, an aircraft capable of delivering rockets, bombs and missiles, and then fighting its way home. It has the punch of energy weight and the speed of a flight.